Hi, this is Abhi from RiPixel. Today I will show you how to insert two different types of page numbers in one document. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Word document that you're working on. Here, I'm in my Word document and I have to apply to different page numbering. Simply double click at the top of the page to activate header and footer. Go over here into page number, bottom of page, and this will open up this section. Choose any style you want. I will choose this page number 3. Now, go again into page number, choose format page numbers, and this will show up this pop-up where I'm going to choose Roman numerals and I will click on OK and simply close header and footer. And as you can see, Roman numeral page numbering style has been applied to my entire document with Roman numbers at the bottom of my page. Now, if I would want Roman numeral page numbers applied till the acknowledgement page and beyond acknowledgement, I would want different page numbering style. What I will simply do is simply put your cursor over here in the starting of the page, choose layout and choose breaks. Now click on next page. Now our document has been divided into two sections. Let me show you. I'll click here on home and click on this paragraph marker button. Now here we can see we have different sections after this page. I will turn this off. Now simply navigate to the page from which you want different page numbering style. For example, I would want a different one after acknowledgement. So I will click on this. So double click to activate header and footer again and simply click on link to previous to disable it. Now go to page number, choose bottom of the page and choose another plain number style or any one you want. So I will choose this plain number 3 style again. Now let's go to page number again, choose format page number and from here we'll choose Arabic numerals and right over here choose start at, then click OK. And right over here you can see we have successfully applied Arabic numeral after acknowledgement page and Roman numerals just before it. So my document contains Roman numerals in this section and Arabic numerals in the second section. So that's a simple way through which you can insert two different types of page numbers in one document. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.